Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best in sound technology. Today, we're diving into the world of studio monitors with the JBL Professional 305P MkII Next Generation 5-inch two-way powered studio monitor. These studio monitors are not just any speakers. They're the epitome of precision, performance, and power. Whether you're a music producer, a sound engineer, or just a serious audiophile, these monitors are here to elevate your listening experience to the next level. Let's talk about what makes these studio monitors stand out from the crowd. First off, they feature JBL's patented image control waveguide, providing detailed imaging and a broad, room-friendly sweet spot. This means you'll experience greater depth and ambience in your recordings, allowing for unparalleled clarity and precision. But that's not all. These monitors also boast next-generation JBL transducers for optimized transient response and improved linearity. Combined with the patented slipstream low-frequency port, you get superior bass performance at all playback levels. From deep, accurate lows to soaring, immaculately detailed highs, these monitors deliver a truly immersive listening experience. And let's talk power. With dual integrated, custom Class D amplifiers providing 82 watts of power, these monitors pack a punch. Whether you're cranking up the volume or fine-tuning your mix, you'll appreciate the dynamic range and clarity these monitors deliver. Now, you might be wondering, are these monitors only for professional studios? Absolutely not. With their sleek, modern design, they're a visual upgrade to any space. Plus, they're approved for use near magnetically sensitive equipment, making them perfect for home studios, gaming setups, and more. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. From music producers to casual listeners, everyone agrees. These monitors are a game changer. So if you're looking for the best sound car speakers available in the market, look no further than the JBL Professional 305P MkII studio monitors. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy listening.